Alrighty, welcome to my presentation. My name is Michael McKenna, and I am talking about BMW versus Tesla as my two websites that I want to be comparing today. Again, today is October 6th, so I'm going to be diving right into it. Brief agenda of the slideshow. We're going to be going over the priorities, such as the homepage and the categories. Um, Next is the accessibility of the websites. We're going to be these impact reports. I picked these because I think that these will be really important to some people in this class. They do talk about all the statistics involved with, producing things, just cool environmental stuff that you might find important. And again, career search is honestly one of the most important things. We're graduating college soon. We're going to be needing to look for careers. I want to make sure that I can find this career search without, much hassle because we're already going to be under a lot of stress. The third thing that I will be looking at is cleanliness, just the organization and the simplicity of the um, websites, and just talking about that. So if we look into website priorities, I kind of want to grade these websites using questions. I'll grade it at the end by myself, but pretty much in this section, we're going to be talking about what grabs a customer's attention, what's making people stay on the website, what makes people want to learn more about the company, just things like that. And that goes for a potential employee too. What makes me, want to work for this company? You can learn a lot from the homepage. So, why is a website's homepage set up the way that it is? Why are there certain categories? Like what's important to the company? Why are they prioritizing certain things on the, the forefront of their company? We look at BMW, we notice that there's boom, big, nice car and a nice background. It's kind of catching your eye, it makes you think like, wow, that's a very beautiful car. And these are all my opinions, but I do really like BMW, so I thought that this picture really attracted my attention. The main categories: company responsibility, innovation, brands and services, careers, investor relations, electromobility. Just all of these things you can click on, very easy to find. They're all colored, color coded, and you can just kind of click on them and find whatever you want. With Tesla, we have a different approach. It's got all of the products right off the rip. They're all right there for you. What's different is there's actually the impact report, which we'll be talking about soon, right at the front of the website, because obviously it is important to them. Custom order, existing inventory. This website obviously looks like it was made for consumers. So they did a pretty good job at prioritizing that. Website accessibility. Where can I find the impact reports? Where can I find the career search option? I want this to be a quick, smooth process, and if these things are hidden, it'll affect their grading and affect what I think about them. So, do I need to use the internet to find these things, or are they laid out on the website? Um, do I have to go to an external source to find what I'm looking for? Or is it just on their website where I can click on it, ease of access? So if we look at BMW, right on their homepage, they have the downloads button at the top of the website. Once you click that, it'll take you to this page here, and they have the three reports. You can click on these, download them. They're all public documents like that they've released. So that it is pretty easy to find this page. So that is pretty cool. With Tesla, on the other hand, it's right up front impact report. You click on that, it'll take you to the next page, which you have to click it again. Once you click on that, it'll download the PDF for you. You can look at all the specific statistics and all that. But if you keep scrolling down on Tesla, there's actually graphs and statistics that you can just look at without actually having to click on the PDF. There's also little graphics on Tesla. It's making the customer or the future employee just really involved in the website. So it's kind of showing you just cool little cool little graphs, whatever. This is dealing with like the recycling of the materials in the battery. So all those statistics are on the impact report, but this is just kind of showing you how it's a closed system once you put those raw materials in. BMW careers, you click on this careers page here, and it'll take you to the map. This is a little bit more confusing because you got to, find where you are in the world. I do hope that we all know how to do that by now, but once you click on that, you can click on career website, and then you can sort your job search by the category. So job type, division, job field, and location. Pretty well organized. It was just harder to get there. All right, and Tesla careers, you have to scroll all the way to the bottom, which is a little bit confusing, but once you get down there, you can click on careers. It'll take you to this search by role or keyword. Or you can keep scrolling down. You can find student opportunities as well as jobs, view internships, and it'll take you to a job search similar to that of BMW's, which we just looked at. Website cleanliness, how cluttered is the homepage? How cluttered is the website in general? Is it a lot of commotion? Are the sublinks easy to find? Let's just talk about all that with BMW and Tesla. On BMW's website, as soon as you scroll down, there are multiple news articles, kind of busy. These letters make me, I'm not a great reader, but when I look at these, I do get somewhat confused. So it is a very cluttered website right on the homepage. But these categories do kind of help sort that out because if somebody knows what they're looking for, they can click on their respective category and find what they're looking for. At the bottom, it is sort of confusing as well, and we'll compare that to that of Tesla's. So Tesla is obviously customer oriented. If the consumer knows what they want, they click on it, they can find custom order or existing inventory. Again, this is the top page, just all of the products. You can click on menu for more products as well. And at the bottom, it is much cleaner than BMW's. They only have contact, careers, news, engagement, locations, things like that. So when I graded these, I scored a 8 with priorities for BMW, a 6 on priorities with Tesla. Accessibility, I scored a 4 and a 4, and then a 5 and a 3 with reports and careers, respectively. In terms of overall cleanliness, I scored BMW with a 6 because it was slightly cluttered, but Tesla I scored a 10 because their website was very clean and very pretty. In conclusion, BMW scored a 22 out of 30, Tesla scored a 24 out of 30, and so BMW falls just shy of Tesla in the rating system, and that could largely be because of Tesla's website was much cleaner than BMW's. BMW excelled in their priorities category where they had equal scoring in the accessibility category. There are many cool features on these websites, and I just wanted to share my top 3. Thank you for watching.